Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishlina. So, I hope you all are doing all good. And I know I was not active from a long time as my few class exams were going on और मैं थोड़ा सा आजकल even focusing on my studies also because my exams are near, so इसलिए मैं इतना वीडियो बनाने का टाइम नहीं हो रहा है मेरे पास. But I am trying to be active a little, although I have to manage, right? तो मैं थोड़ा try कर रही हूँ manage करने के लिए. So let's start for today's topic. तो आज मैं try करने वाली हूँ trying 5-minute crafts body hacks. Body hacks actually I was just normally scrolling to videos and I was seeing कि लोग बहुत try कर for the hacks of 5 minutes craft and 5 minutes craft 5 minute craft and मैं सोचा कि why not I try and so I thought मैं ऐसे नहीं देखा कि मैं देखा है पर I haven't seen trying body hacks, so I thought why not I try it. So I saw a video not trying ki body hacks or body something related to body by 5-minute craft. So here I am with the video. So I hope you enjoy. So watch till the end and let's get started with the first one. Okay, so the first hack is of something हाथ छोटा हो जाने वाला. So I don't have any walls near me. I don't have any walls near me right now. I do have that side, but ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकता तो कैमरा कहाँ सेट करेगा ना. तो that's why this is my खजाना, not खजाना. This is my drawer, not drawer. Sorry, this is my closet. Okay, so this is my closet and I am going to use this only as my support and I'll show you guys. थोड़ा सा lighting अजीब नहीं है इधर. Never mind. Okay, so let's see the first one. It was something ऐसा था ना? Wait, let me figure this out. ऐसा? How will you see it? Okay, I'll show it. I'll try to do something like that. Okay? So ऐसे करते हैं. ये जो line है ना ये इधर रहेगा. Okay? So I'll do this. ऐसे हुआ ना? So this is the position that my hand is right now. Okay? So I'll rub my elbow and no. Let's see again. No. I don't know what happened. Wait, let me shake it off. Okay, तो अच्छे से I don't know you guys are noticing or not, but थोड़ा सा लगता है ना. अच्छे से देखो. हाँ, हम तेरे को इधर से करने का try करेंगे. रुको. Like this. Again I'll try this here and I'll rub my elbow and okay, so this works. So first hack, तो मैं इसको दूंगी 8 out of no, I'll give it 8.5 or 8 out of 10. So the first hack gets 8 out of 10 and so now let's try with the second hack. This lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry for this problem. I am a newcomer to this field and I don't know how to manage my things. तो next भी ऐसा कुछ ऐसा ही है तो इसको भी support चाहिए होगा. So I'll take this only. तो ऐसे को किबा sorry. So I have to use this. Okay. मुझे पहले ये रखना है. First I have to join my this hand and stick here. Done. And my leg in here and open my leg. No, not open my leg. Sorry. And spread what am I saying? And I have to like put my other leg that side. Okay, so this is right side, and I'll try to get up. I'll try to put my this leg, my left leg up, and wait. This is like body tricks, okay? This is not like exactly, sorry. This is not like body magic trick. Whatever it is, something related to body only, and I'm like going to try it again. I'm not doing it purposely. You might be thinking कि मैं जानबूझ के कर रही हूँ दिखाने के लिए. नहीं, मैं सच्ची में I'm like trying it. You can also try it. And आप लोग भी अगर try करोगे then let me know in my comment section कि did it work for you guys also, or is it like just like I don't know. Okay, so this is also like it is kind of like working. That अगर like it is working. I don't know, it's something scientific or something. पर अगर ये हाथ और ये शोल्डर कहीं पे लगा होता है, ये नहीं साग like I mean like one type of body is like stuck somewhere, not stuck, like sticked somewhere. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm like out of words I guess. तो like अगर ऐसे लगा होता है और ये अगर उठाया तो you tend to fall down. You cannot like exactly balance it. So this also worked. So I'll give this one. How much will I give it? I'll give 8 only, cause this was not that much exciting also. But okay. Okay, so with the next trick, I'm sitting down, and so it is something like flexibility जैसा है, not flexibility, it's a trick only. तो मैं try करूँगी. I have like bought, I don't know what is this, not something, a bottle. So I brought this and I'll try to balance it on my forehead and let's see how it works. And plus I'm not a that flexible person, but I'll try, okay? So let's go. This is like something like I have to get up straight with this position only on my head, okay? So, okay, don't fall, please. Okay, and okay, and yeah. Oh, you didn't see that, right? But I did it with my forehead, but you didn't see the half of it. But जो main चीज था इधर लेट के करने का वो तो देखा ना आपने. हाँ तो why I'm like behaving so weird. Okay, so this was also a good one. It was like a flexibility test also. I don't know, kind of. हाँ तो I'll give this one a 9 out of 10 क्योंकि workout भी हो गया and it even worked. So let's go with the next one. Last one is like कुछ height check करने का जैसा है. So I'll check my height. Yes, उधर में 2 लड़कियाँ थी and I'm here alone. So how will I do that? Yes, I don't know how will I do that, but I'll try to do it. And let's see कितना होता है. And अगर आप लोगों को ये कोई भी trick अगर लगे कि सच्ची का काम करे, after you also try it, then let me know. And even I'll know कि किस के साथ काम किया ये tricks and किस के साथ ना. And let me try, okay? So it was like hand like this, touch your toe, and okay my hand is reaching actually this the length of this closet. तो मैंने अपना toe touch करके रखा है and this is my like what is it? The left hand is like touching the closet, and I'll try to go up. I don't know. Yes? No. Yes. Did it work? Yes, I guess. Yes, hopefully yes. I am like confused. Actually मैं ये trick को गलत नहीं बोलूँगी. I don't have anyone to like help me out with this. So I did it myself. I think so it worked. I also don't know if it really worked. So I'll give this like this is also like a 8 out of 10. So yeah, this was the last for today, guys. I hope you all liked it. So मैंने ये सब body tricks try किया and it was like mostly it worked क्योंकि actually मैंने सबको आई गेस 10 out of 10 नहीं दिया, कुछ like 9 and 8 दिया है, because it's somewhere or the other worked and it's somewhere or the other not. So I don't know how it was for me okay type. So let me also know आप लोगों ने try करके क्या क्या मिला आपको. And so this was the end for today and I hope you all like it. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Sending lots of love and hugs to everybody over there. Bye bye.